Hello there, it's Phil Beddoe from Titus UK at KBB 2018. Earlier I was joined by Dejan Kocheva, our product manager from Titus Slovenia, where we discussed the benefits of the new T-type hinge.
We have a three-way clip-on feature, which means that you can clip the hinge from the front, you can clip it from the back, and you can clip it from the top, like this. So this is of a great benefit when you have a tall door in a bedroom range or some in a kitchen range like here. So we have more than three or four hinges on it. So very easy to clip. The second feature, the nice feature of the T-type hinge is its kinematic, the geometry of the hinge, which makes it working with a door thickness down from 15 up to 22 millimeters or 24 millimeters with an only 2 millimeter of the reveal of the side. So this is a unique feature where customer or user can use a universal hinge for the whole his range. Meanwhile, the others, let's say the competitors, require a special thick door hinge already.
Okay.
And the third element is the confident close of the Titus glissando feature, which means the damper positioned on the top of the hinge, giving a shallowness of the hinge cap only 12 millimeter of the drilling depth, which is really a benefit to a lot of people in the industry.
Okay. And what about the loading capacity, Dejan? Is that...
The load capacity is increased for 25%. So this hinge is wider, stronger, tighter, so more sturdy. So it gives you more payload per hinge per door.
And why would that be important? Are doors getting bigger and heavier? And
the doors are right. The doors are getting bigger and heavier and thicker. So there is more load on the doors in these days. So we need a stronger hinge, and this T-type hinge answers this requirement.
Thanks very much, Dejan. Thank you.
You're welcome.